Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show you how to hide cash on delivery for a P.O. Box address using the P.O. Box condition in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. For this example, we will skip the Describe the rule you want to create box and use Search and Select Combination manually. Let's find the P.O. Box condition. Then click on Select this combinations where it exists. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select P.O. Box. Now we choose P.O. Box if found here. Then set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. We will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the cash on delivery and Alipay will be hidden when P.O. Box and the customer's shipping address in their cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, cash on delivery and Alipay is visible because the customer's shipping address does not contain a P.O. Box. Now let's add a P.O. Box to the customer's shipping address and check again. Yes, the cash on delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!